Hi, I'm Billy Roberts, Senior Analyst for Food and Beverage with CoBank's Knowledge Exchange Division. As we head into the holiday party season, you'll probably notice people are drinking less alcohol these days. Sales of beer, spirits, ready-to-drink beverages, and especially wine are all down, and that's in the US and globally. Consumers say they are trying to drink less alcohol to help their physical and mental health, and their wallets, especially younger consumers. But that doesn't mean they're giving up booze altogether. Almost all non-alcoholic beverage buyers also continue to purchase alcohol. In the parlance of Gen Z, there's zebra striping. That is, alternating between alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages throughout the evening. So what are these non-alcoholic beverages? Well, beverage makers are leveraging their familiar booze brands, and other companies have successfully introduced options that offer novel sensory experiences that can stand on their own. But let's get real. While alcohol use has waned, cannabis consumption is on the rise. Recreational use of marijuana is legal in 24 states, and daily use of marijuana has outpaced daily use of alcohol. Cannabis beverages remain a small but growing niche of the adult beverage market, and more than half of these consumers already use cannabis consistently. In any case, non-alcoholic beverages have proven to be one of the more resilient segments of the beverage industry, growing even as alcohol sales slip. To learn more, read my report on cobank.com.